Well, hello. It's time to check on the red wigglers and European night crawlers once again. Had a problem with fruit flies a couple weeks ago. I made a fruit fly trap, and this is the results of the fruit fly trap. So the fruit fly trap does work. So now let's look at the worms. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Not a lot of fruit flies anymore, so the fruit fly problem is done. Like I said, I'm going to have to switch these castings, but I have a lot of food that they're going to get. A lot of bananas. I'll keep that just like it is. So now it's time to cover this up and look at the Euros. Alright, Euros. They have lots to eat. They're doing fine. Still got a lot of food scraps in there, but I'm going to overload them with some extra stuff that was frozen. So here they go. I'm going to moisten this up, cover it back up, and let them get down to business. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.